Very old case. Before I could become MLA, this is of somewhere in year 2007 and 2008 when I became the block president of BJP. I had about to contest ZP election. So that was all political vendetta. My hotel is outside CRZ, which I spoke from that time till today. And CZMP has clearly shown us 50 meters away. Anybody would understand that it is 2 meters, 3 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters, 50 meters away. 50 मीटर फुडें आमचें हॉटेल आहा. आतां आमच्या फुडल्यान ग्रावंड प्लस 6 आहा. आमी CRZ ना जाल्यार ती पयलीं मोडटली आसली. So this was a political vendetta case, and that time, since the order was passed against me during that time, so our hotel was demolished. That 38 rooms, 35 rooms. One wing, the remaining wings are there, we are running the hotel. Now at the same place I have to build more. So it is nothing but debris of that hotel had to be put somewhere else. So it is environmental degradation. So this matter which was there, Honorable Court has seen all the sequences, and the matter why we were accused is whether we got any benefit that I am in CRZ. No, because I am out of CRZ. So that was purely shown to the court, and I am very thankful to the Honorable Court, and we believe in justice. That the case which was filed then is FIR which was filed when I was in opposition in 2009 when I was Zilla Panchayat member. It is acquitted today. And I am happy.
सर नारू रिसोर्ट जेन्ना डेमोलिशन जालें हे कोर्टातर्फे त्याच्या फाटल्या दिसांनी डेमोलिशन जालें तुमी तुमचे तर्फे केल्ले
कितें
ते डेमोलिशन जाल्लें न्हू ते कोर्टातर्फे ऑर्डर येवन डेमोलिशन जालें
तेन्नाची ऑर्डर न्हू आमी एपिलान गेले अप टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सी हीच ती मॅटर की वेदर वी आर इन CRZ ओ नो. आतां आमकां थिंगा जाग्यार बांदूंक मेवतात. आतां लायन आतां येयली CRZची लायन 2018 येयली. आदी इमॅजिनरी लायन म्हणून आहली. ते अशें रुलर लायताले आनी हें करताले. सो आमची ती आवटवर्ड जे आहले ते आनी कोणाक पडलो. सो ते म्हणाले हें लेटर आमी इश्यू करूंक ना. ते लेटराचेर बोबाव जालो तो आनी ऑपोजिशना रुलींग पार्टी त्या टायमार कोण आहले हांव नांवां कोणाचीच घेयना. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू एक्यूज एनीबडी इन दीस मॅटर. बट आय नो एंड दॅट पर्सन ऑल्सो नो हू पूट प्रेशर ऑन पुलीस अँड हू पूट प्रेशर ऑन CRZ टू फायल केस ऑन मी. सो आतां जे जालें तितून आनी उलोवप ना. आमचे त्या लेटरा खातीर आमचें हॉटेल मोडलें फेक लेटर म्हणून. सो बट आतां लोक जाणा की आमी CRZ भायर आहा म्हणून. आनी म्हाका क्लॅरिफाय करपाची गरज ना. इट इज अ ब्लॅक एंड व्हायट. एंड आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट कोर्ट हॅज गिवन द रायट जजमेंट दॅट सिन्स वी वर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ CRZ that letter does not stand. The case is all about whether you are in CRZ or out of CRZ. हांव जर CRZ आहलो आनी ते लेटर फेक केल्ले आनी लेटर आमकां बेनिफीट जाल्लें एक दुसरी गजाल. CRZ भायर.
सो आतांच्या हितून हे CRZच्या भायर आसा.
We are out of CRZ because the actual CRZ line came into existence in 2018. NCSM has brought the real CRZ line in the state of Goa, 200 meters and 500 meters, and also for 50 meters and 100 meters for the river.